Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular interior over here. So let's continue it. We have few things left which will do it over here. So let's go over here. Let's take a line tool. So I'll just create few of the things which are just left out over here. So I'll go over here. So let's just take a line. So I'm just going to take this stuff over here in this way. Alright. So let's select this vertices and let's give a bit of fillet over here, and let's give a modifier called lathe modifier. So I'll go into the vertices, I'll activate this, I'll just slightly push it inside, just drag it over here, select this, shuffle it down. Alright. So these are few of those just assets which we are modeling over here. If you want, you can create a book also. We have a book, open book kind of stuff, a magazine. How we can create that? You can do one thing, you can just take a circle over here. You can just take a line like this. Let's go into this, select this spline, and we have an option over here that is known as outline. So I'll just take one outline over here. I'll select this, convert to editable spline. I'll slightly scale it, select this, and very important, I'll just attach it over here, select this spline, and we'll go into this, and I'll just use a boolean over here. So once you use a boolean, let's go into the modifier list and give a modifier called extrude over here. So I can just slightly give a modifier, and I can just place this over here just to show over here that there is a kind of a book or something. So now what I can do is, like, I'll just convert to editable poly, select this polygons, right click, let's use one cut over here, let's use one cut over here. So select this polygon, and slightly give a bit of inset, and let's bridge it. So I can easily just bridge this element over here wherever it is required. If you want, you can just create a teapot or something which looks better. So I'll just go over here and I'll create a teapot over here like this. And for the cups, there is a simple method over here which you can use it. I can just go into this, I'll just off this spout and lid, and I'll again go over here and I'll take a taper modifier. So let's just take a taper modifier, slightly reduce this, make this size small, and push this out, and convert to editable poly. So we can just make some multiple copies of it as required, wherever it is required. So I can slightly rotate it. Just save the file again. Alright. So if you want, you can just create any kind of a small flower vase also. So I'll again go over here, slightly give the shape, and let's again give a lathe modifier, and into the lathe let's make it as max. Go into the vertices, activate this, slightly just push it down in this way, shuffle it over here, drag it in this way. Alright. So right click again, you can just click on refine. So we can use a refine wherever it is needed. So just select this vase over here. So we are just creating the assets, so it should look good. Just take this vase and let's give again one more modifier. So assign a shell modifier, again take a line, alright. Again go into this, rendering, enable in viewport, and let's reduce its thickness. So let's reduce it more. The thing is, I have kept the shortcut key as S over here, so it's like, you know, it stops the recording sometimes. So I need to constantly monitor it, because you know, so if you feel that, you know, it's recording, but the day I made a tutorial and it happened all like, you know, it didn't record it, so again I had to, you know, recreate the tutorial. So I have to keep a watch on this. Alright, so now what I did is, like, I can just create this stuff. Again I'll rotate it, so I need to just change the hotkey for this, the recorder which I'm using right now. Alright, so again go over here. Even if you want, you can just make it sharp also if required. Again just shuffle it over here. Alright, so you can just select the vertices, alright. Just save the file again. So if you want, you can just take this and you know, make the copies of it. Alt and A, can just keep it, push it up. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.